Hi everyone, so today I wanted to do the final walkthrough of my project, my fixer-upper. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of the videos that I've been posting for you, all the weekly updates. This project is finally finished. So walking into the front door, into the living room. Again, this was my nicely stained front door that I did. So this is the living room. All the baseboards, the flooring is done. I have the mini splits installed. All new lighting, can lights, new outlets, new electrical. And this is the dining room. New mini split in here as well. And then let's walk through the hallway. This is the bedroom. New windows, the black knobs. Bathroom. And then, if you guys remember, the shower closet. This is just the closet now. Another bedroom with my French doors. And then the third bedroom. Remember the old heaters were here. Those are removed. room. The door is nicely painted. The cabinets are white. New oven. Nice flooring. And then I put the cabinet liners in there as well. So I hope you enjoyed all the weekly updates. Can't wait to share my next project with you guys.